T0174, T0301, and 306. This is the amp probe. This one here is the trigger of number 6. Look at the bad coil. That's the amp probe there. Here's the firing order, 165. My trigger's on number 6 right now. And that's the firing order, the D10. So it'd be like, so the bad coil I have to look at is, that's 6, that's the trigger of 6, 5, 10, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 1. Number 1 has a bad coil. This is number 1. And I should have it hooked up. How I have it hooked up. Picoscope. Amp probe to the fuse box. There's the settings. Number 6 trigger. 2-count scope. That's my trigger number 6. That's it. Oh yeah. I'm on this wire here from the fuse box. Amp probe is here. And here are all my coils. D10. Hope to help somebody. It's a lot easier.